Hello, hello. All right, let's jump right into this Tassel Town. Can it help you look slimmer and get more compliments? Let me tell you, yes, it can. Okay. Now, if you're just meeting me, my name is Rachel. I help direct sales and network marketing consultants build their dream business online. On this channel, I give weekly tips on how to build your networking business online using the same strategies that has helped thousands of network marketers build their business online without hosting a single party, DMing their friends, being spammy or salesy. So be sure to check out my videos. But let's talk about Tassel Town. Okay, this necklace, can it make you look slimmer? Okay, that's one of the big questions of today. And the answer is yes, it can. Okay, so now every time, okay, I've worn this necklace, I've had someone compliment me on it. I hear things like, I love your necklace. Oh, that is so pretty. I want one just like it. So yes, it definitely gets compliments. Okay. Now, the most important thing is, how does it help you appear taller and slimmer? Okay. And that happens because it creates a V-neck. Okay. And you can see it behind me on my assistant, Skylar the Styler. Okay. It's creating that V-neck look, which every fashion expert will tell you the V-neck makes you look taller and slimmer. It's an illusion the jewelry is just amazing at doing to give you that slimmer look. Okay, so jewelry directs your gaze, and because it's getting that V shape, it's making you look slimmer and taller. How cool is that? Okay, so now Tassel Town is super on trend right now because it has that tassel look, and because it's got that V-neck going on, and because it's a black necklace. And I'm going to share with you why that's important in just a second. But this one is really great to pair with the Fanfare earrings by Premier Designs as well. Okay, so if you're trying to pull a full look together, you definitely want to check that out. But I want to mention again the importance of why this is a black necklace. Okay, one of the things you can do, fashion tip 101, if you're wondering what kind of necklace that you to wear with your outfit, match it to the color of your shoes. Tassel Town is so great because it's a black necklace, and that means I know you already have a pair of black shoes in your closet, so that's going to pull your whole look together. Red shoes, red necklace, silver necklace, get some sandals with some silver bling on them. Black necklace, black shoes. It really helps a lot. Okay, now the last thing is my favorite thing about Tassel Town. Okay, this necklace and so many other Premier Design features is it is adjustable. Okay, that is a really cool factor of this necklace. So you can wear this. You can see on right here, you have 4 different ways right here to wear this necklace. But I want to also show you one more. This part right here, the actual tassel, okay, this actually will come off completely. So you can just have the black by itself, and you can take this, it has a lobster clasp on it, and hook it onto a totally different necklace. Hello, versatility, adjustability. It's awesome. Okay, so I just wanted to let you know about that. Now, Tassel Town is a 32-inch necklace and has that removable tassel, and it has a 4-inch extender on it. Okay, so you can adjust it as you need. So every woman needs a V-neck necklace to get that slimmer look. And because this necklace is black, it makes it easy to tie your whole outfit together, and it is a must-have for your collection. Okay, so my question for you today is, do you have a black necklace in your collection? And if you don't, you need to get Tassel Town. Okay, and I'm going to make this really easy for you. If you're going to take up the offer of getting Tassel Town right now, I'm going to give you a 10% off discount on this necklace. Okay, so if you order through my link in the description, you're going to get 10% off. And the way that works is when you go through checkout, it's going to send your request to me, and I'm going to add your discount, and then I'm going to send it into Premier so you can get your necklace at that price, and you can get it at that cost. So I'm really excited about being able to share that with you. And as always, I have a freebie for all my network marketers out there. I have a free masterclass all about repositioning your network marketing business for success without ever throwing a party ever again. Someone say hallelujah to that. All right, so stay encouraged, and I will see you again very soon.